Useful Products sent me the DrillBrush Power Scrubber in exchange for my honest opinion and reviews. Welcome to what is perhaps the dirtiest, grossest part of my house. The traffic that comes through here is a lot of dirty shoes. This is also where we feed the dog. Just a woefully unkempt area of our home. Let's do this. I can already see all this dirt in the soapy water, and look at that. Oh, check that out. That's just from a few seconds. That natural grout color has come right back out. Super impressed. Look at the before and, well, there's the cat. And look at the after. I'm so excited to use this all over my house, to be honest. There's no denying how powerful these little drill brushes are. Thumbs up.